let's say it. I'm a fashion designing student of TIIFS. My learning experience was surely amazing in TIIFS because of my beautiful faculties. Also, I have learned many things over here. After my admission in TIIFS, I recognized a change in myself, a transformation in myself, which was really amazing. A change which was I noticed that how I am creative in things, what are my capabilities, and also what is my actual way of thinking, through what way I see art and how I make it happen. Also, I am kind of a confused kid, but all thanks to my faculties who helped me in this thing and clear my doubts in any time. Anytime I ask them, they are just free to clear my doubts, and they are really amazing and they are really helpful. Also, what I have learned here, starting from my favorite subject, which is textile, I have learned different varieties of fabric, different textures, and what are different weaving, different types of weaving, and etc. We also had a market survey in Mangaldas market, which is in Mumbai. Also, if I took my embroidery art, which is better now, and I feel that what was my expectation with this institute, it has been fulfilled, and I have got to learn more than what I have thought of. And I would like to say thank you to all my beautiful faculties and staff for preparing me for the further year in my career.